How to make apple drink with cucumber, a simple step-by-step recipe. A refreshing and healthy drink, the apple cucumber smoothie is a great way to kickstart your day. With just simple ingredients, this recipe will only take 10 minutes to make. Apple cucumber drink is a very healthy water-based drink and can be consumed as such or used in many recipes. Ingredients needed: let's say you're planning a party and want to serve something special. Something that tastes good, but is also very healthy. What you will need: 4 cucumbers, 1 apple, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 cups of water. Directions: Step 1, peel the cucumber and slice it into thin pieces. Step 2, cut the apple into small chunks and put them in a blender. Step 3, 2 tablespoons sugar into the blender. Step 4, add 2 cups water to the blender. Step 5, blend ingredients for about 20 seconds or blend ingredients until well smooth. Apple is an excellent source of vitamin C, dietary fiber, and antioxidants. The more popular a food is, the more vitamins and nutrients it contains. And this is why we've all heard that we should eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day to get healthy. But if you want to get even healthier from eating apples, you can do it in one simple way: make them with cucumber. Cucumbers are a refreshing fruit. They're quite versatile and they can be used in salads, dips, and even bread. The cucumber is a valuable vegetable. You may have seen it in supermarkets. It is used in a variety of dishes, from salads to juices and smoothies. This vegetable has so many uses that it should be considered a food staple. This video will guide you through the steps to successfully prepare this delicious fruit for your family. The step-by-step instructions are easy to follow, and if you follow them carefully, you will be serving your family in a few minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.